How to copy your link on the Sendit app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. From here, tap on your profile icon, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings icon, which is also located on the top right corner. Then after tapping on the settings icon, Sendit app will direct you to your profile page, and from here you can see your link, which is located right below the diamond member settings. And in order to copy the link, you can simply tap on the copy link button, which is right next to the link itself. So just tap on copy link and you can send the link in any one of the social media apps and share it with your friends as well. And it is that easy. Now you guys know how to copy link on the Sendit app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.